Hello students, good evening to you all. In our today's video, we will discuss some questions from our paper, that is the biochemistry and the biotech. We will discuss some MCQ questions from the previous year papers and that is particularly from the 2014 paper of the Delhi University MSc Botany entrance. In today's video, we will only discuss about those questions which are from our paper, that is the biochemistry and biotech. We will solve the complete paper later on in upcoming videos. So let's start with the first question. In the complete entrance examinations, whichever be the year, approximately 10 to 15% questions are generally asked from the biochemistry and the biotech. If we include the photosynthesis also in the biochemistry, then it will weight up to 10 to 15% of the complete paper. But right now in our 6th semester, the photosynthesis is not included in the biochemistry. It was in our plant physiology portion in the 5th semester. So we'll start with the first question. First question में पूछा हुआ है first according actually it is the 67th question first in our video. Golden rice is a transgenic crop with the following improved trait. हमने ट्रांसजेनिक प्लांट्स के कुछ एग्जांपल मैंने आपको बताए थे. गोल्डन राइस, बीटी कॉटन, वेन एवर वी वर डिस्कसिंग दी जीन क्लोनिंग और दी रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए टेक्नोलॉजी, एंड दी one was the golden rice, another was the BT cotton, and one is the flavor summer tomato. These three are important transgenic plants. So this question is particularly from the golden rice portion. तो golden rice जो होता है उसमें हाई विटामिन ए कंटेंट होता है. So B will be the answer. Let's move to the next question. The two most important bacteria in the field of the plant genetic engineering are, we know one is the E. coli, because E. coli का plasmid एज ए क्लोनिंग वेक्टर भी यूज़ किया जाता है. सेकेंड थिंग, E. coli को एज ए कॉम्पेटेबल होस्ट यूज़ किया जाता है सबसे ज़्यादा रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए टेक्नोलॉजी में या जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग में. सेकेंड विल बी एग्रोबैक्टीरियम, because all other bacteria like azotobacter or the nitrobacter, okay, these are nitrogen fixation bacteria, but they are not important according to the field of genetic engineering. So E. coli and the agrobacterium is a natural genetic engineer. These two are the important bacteria in the plant genetic engineering. So B will be the answer for the 68th question. Next is which type of the restriction enzymes are commonly used in the recombinant DNA technology. This we have studied and we have also written it into the notebook, that type 2 restriction enzymes are particularly used in the or most used in the recombinant DNA technology. Moving on to the next question. The root nodules of the legume plants contain a pink pigment. We know that pink pigment, it's a very important question. It's generally asked, it's oftenly asked in various entrance examination of different universities. I have told you earlier also that it is an important portion or it is an important question. So that pigment we all know, it is the lag hemoglobin. Lag hemoglobin is an oxygen Schwenzer pigment. It will make the environment anaerobic. Okay, by swanging the oxygen gas. So that answer will be the lag hemoglobin. 71th is in the tricarboxylic acid cycle or the Krebs cycle, a 6-carbon compound is formed by the combination of the acetyl-CoA, and we know the very first step, a 2-carbon compound acetyl-CoA condenses with the 4-carbon compound to form a 6-carbon compound citric acid. So this 4-carbon compound is being asked. So it's a very simple question. So this compound will be the oxaloacetic acid. हमने बहुत क्लियरली पढ़ा है कि oxaloacetic acid which is a 4-carbon compound, ये कंडेंस होता है acetyl CoA से और बनाता है आपका 6-carbon compound, that is the citric acid. This is the first step of the Krebs cycle. So answer will be the C. EMP pathway is another name for the, we know the EMP pathway is the another name for glycolysis. This we have also studied in the classroom as well as in our revision lectures. Okay, so there was a full form of EMP which stands for the name of the scientist, those discovered this process. जिन्होंने ग्लाइकोलिसिस प्रोसेस को डिस्कवर किया था उन साइंटिस्ट के नाम पे क्या है आपका EMP पाथवे जो इसको नेम दिया गया है. E stands for the Ambidon, M for the Meyerhof, and P for the Parnas. So these three were the scientists who discovered the glycolysis. Lycopene is an antioxidant present in high quantities in tomato. It is also a general question that is being asked in different universities entrance examination. Lycopene जो होता है वो टोमेटो में होता है. This is a antioxidant pigment. The term apoenzyme is applicable to. एंजाइम का जब केमिकल नेचर हम पढ़ रहे थे तो दो तरह के एंजाइम होते हैं. सिंपल एंजाइम्स जो विच आर कंप्लीटली मेड अप ऑफ द प्रोटीन. अनदर वाज द कॉन्जुगेटेड एंजाइम जिनमें एक मेजर प्रोटीन पार्ट होता है और माइनर नॉन प्रोटीन पार्ट. इस मेजर प्रोटीन पार्ट को एपोएंजाइम बोलते हैं और नॉन प्रोटीन पार्ट को हम कोफैक्टर बोलते हैं. सो व्हाट इज एपोएंजाइम? द प्रोटीन पार्ट ऑफ द कंजुगेटेड एंजाइम्स. सो इट विल बी आंसर विल बी द बी, द प्रोटीन पार्ट ऑफ द कंजुगेट एंजाइम्स. Moving on to the next question, that is the 75th. Which of the following is not a reducing sugar? Glucose भी reducing sugar होता है, fructose भी. Glucose having the aldehyde group, fructose having the ketone group. Glyceraldehyde is also a reducing sugar having the aldehyde group. But sucrose is an invert sugar and a disaccharide, that is not non-reducing sugar. Okay, that's why the food is transported in the form of the sucrose through the phloem, because it is a non-reducing sugar. What is zymogen? Okay, so zymogen is the precursor for the enzymes. Whenever the enzymes are not active, they are called the zymogen. Talking about the next question, 77. The hydrolysis of fats by the alkalis into fatty acids and the glycerol. फैट्स का ब्रेकडाउन जब फैटी एसिड और ग्लिसरॉल्स में होता है तो इस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? इसको हम सैपोनिफिकेशन बोलते हैं. आंसर विल बी डी. ये मैंने नोट्स में भी लिखा है, आपको क्लास में भी बताया था कि दिस इज कॉल्ड दी सैपोनिफिकेशन. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज द 78th. द बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन टेक्स प्लेस इन, सो इट विल बी माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. अदर देन द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया देर आर सम अदर सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स लाइक पेरोक्सीसोम्स. In some fungus or fungi, it also occurs in some peroxisomes. So it will be here the answer will be mitochondria. So these are some questions from our biochemistry and biotech paper. So in our next videos or our upcoming video, we will completely discuss this paper, that is the 2014 Delhi University paper. After that, most probably we will also solve 2015 and 16 paper. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.